At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A prescription template is essential for safe and effective medication use, providing clear communication between medical professionals and pharmacists. It ensures patients get the right dosage of medication, minimizing the risk of side effects and drug interactions. Here's how our template can help. The template includes sections for medication details and dosage instructions, ensuring patients receive precise and understandable directions for their medication. Simplify record keeping. Easily record all relevant information in one place, saving time and reducing errors. A written prescription allows patients to refer to the instructions as needed, ensuring they fully understand their medication regimen. Ensure legal compliance. The template meets all legal and regulatory requirements for prescription writing, protecting your practice and ensuring patient safety. Healthcare professionals like doctors and nurse practitioners use a prescription template to standardize their prescribing practices. This customizable, easy-to-understand template includes all necessary information, such as patient details, dosage instruction, and refill information, making the prescription process more efficient and consistent. Here's how to use our prescription template. Access the template. By clicking on the link in the description, this will take you to our templates library where you can download the prescription template for free. Print or use digitally. Print a physical copy or use the digital format during consultations. Fill in information. Complete sections for patient details, medication, and dosage instructions. Be thorough to ensure accuracy. Add instructions. Include any specific guidelines or precautions related to the medication. Double check and sign. Review for errors, then sign the prescription to make it official. Share with the patient. Provide a physical copy or send it electronically and save a copy in your electronic health records for future reference. Here's a sample of our prescription to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more of our free templates, visit our template library on the Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features, and signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.